Hi everyone. In this video, I'll be discussing about the core components managed by the Citrix Cloud. Okay. Okay. If you see the diagram here, you see various components, delivery controllers, databases, monitor, license server, API, application programming interface, manage, and you see here under end user access services, you have workspace and gateway service. So these are all the components that are managed by Citrix Cloud. So during the time of the interview or during your project, if someone asks what are the core components that are handled by Citrix Cloud, you can say that they are delivery controllers, databases, monitor, license usage, and all these things. Okay, so let me go to the next slide. Okay, so the first one is delivery controllers, second one is database, third one is licensing, management interface, monitoring interface. So these are all the details for the Citrix Cloud core components. Okay, and you also have Cloud Connector. You also have Cloud Connector here. Okay, let me go back to the diagram. So if you see here, there is a component called Cloud Connector. It is in the resource location. So resource location is a place where you can host your virtual desktops. Okay, you can host your virtual desktops. It could be your on-premise data center, or it could be any public cloud provider like Amazon Web Services or Azure or Google Cloud Platform. But you need to have cloud connectors installed. You need to have the cloud connectors installed in those locations. Okay, in those locations, and these cloud connectors will act as a communication channel between the Citrix Cloud and your resource location. Okay, and your resource location. So this is the most important component. It is the critical component in the Citrix infrastructure. Okay, so let me go to the next slide. So yeah, a cloud connector is the communication channel between the components in the Citrix Cloud and the components in the resource location. In the resource location, the cloud connector acts as a proxy for the delivery controller in the Citrix Cloud. So this cloud connector acts as a proxy to the delivery controllers. Okay, and you also have a resource location. Every resource location contains at least one cloud connector. Two or more cloud connectors are recommended for redundancy. So every resource location should have at least two cloud connectors for redundancy. If one cloud connector stops working, the other cloud connector should serve the traffic. So we need to have at least two cloud connectors. Okay, so after the cloud connectors are installed, Citrix manages and updates them. The only task handled by customer are cloud connector, Windows updates, and patching. So this resource location is managed by you. Okay, you as a customer, you as a business would be managing these components or these virtual machines or VDI machines, including cloud connectors, in the resource location. So it is your job to make sure that these two servers are up and running fine. Okay, these two servers will be running on Windows servers. So you need to make sure that these servers are up to date with the latest Windows security patches and all these things. But it is a job of the Citrix Cloud to push the Citrix related patches or software to the cloud connectors. So we need to integrate Citrix Cloud with cloud connectors. Once you do that, Citrix Cloud is going to push the patches or the important updates to cloud connectors. But it is your job to make sure that these two servers are up and running fine in your resource location. So these are the details that people may ask during the interview or during the project. So you can say that these are the components that are managed by Citrix Cloud. Okay, so I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye.